Hey, what's up programmers? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys, you are supporting me a lot each and every day, and it's real pleasure to you guys are joining with this video series. It's really mean a lot to me. Alright, by the way, guys, on my previous video we successfully did finish our most important part of any web application, which means sign up process. So today my job is to teach you how can we create a successful login page. In this video I will show you some of most interesting thing we can do it using PHP skill. Alright, now you can see there's a new file means sign in process. Then also I have bootstrap.javascript. I will explain this. It might be next video. And there's a home page and nothing in there. Now this video I'm going to show you how to create our login page correctly. So we have so many things to do. Let's hop into video quickly. Okay, in this video we have some part to get done. So let's go and check our web page quickly. You can see I refresh my page and come there. You can see this header which means sign in. Okay guys, let's move on to our sign in process part. I add every input field to IDs, so don't think about that value field. I will explain that later. So I add ID email to and pass to like this, and I also add my remember me checkbox to ID, and I also do these things. I will explain that later. And there's another important part. You have to add on-click attribute with sign-in function to command our JavaScript function sign function. So let's add them and see our script part. That's the most important part, and I think it will be the longest part in there. So let's go and check out our signing function. There is signing function. You can see I get my email password and this remember me checkbox IDs with these variables. I assign them to variables, and after all I want to check my function is working correctly, so I put some alerts for there, and then we finish our works. We don't need to alert them, so I comment them. You can see I put double backlashes for this and comment this. Now this part also going with ajax requesting method. So in previous video, if you see that we explain much of ajax requesting for method. So today I'm not going to explain much about that, but you can see on my previous video there's there also a form. I mean form data. We append those our input field to our form, and we also request to our server and we check our already state, and if our state equals to 4, server request our server respond our request, and we can have our response text. Or if our ready state equal to 4, it shows success, and if it is success, it do this process. It links to home.php, and it shows our message to div, and it also shows our class name styles, which mean I add Bootstrap styles for that. You can see that in my previous video I show you how to get Bootstrap styles from their website. So if you don't watch this, you can watch above link. It's popping now. Alright, this is ajax form requesting method for login page. So you can see there's nothing really special today, because we yesterday we talk many things about ajax requesting method. Now that's the part of it. Let's go to our sign-in process and see what's happening there. You can see there little validation part. Today we don't need big validation part like this, because we have sign up part. In sign up part we have 6 more input fields. Now signing process we have email and password only, so we have to get them to variables, and we get our input field to these variables, and post method system using post method system we put them into these square brackets, and I want to check my signing process is working correctly, so I want to get some echoes and do them, and after all I finish my works, I comment this because I don't need that anymore. So let's move on to our validation part. We can see it's if there's a empty email field, we can show this alert. If our email is an invalid email address, we can have this filter underscore. I also explained this in previous video. Okay, and now our input field, password input field, if it is empty, we can see this message, and also all these are correct. We came to this part. This is our select query. Today my select query, you can see I select my all data from my database in my user table, where my email column and password column is involved. So because we want our email and password to log into our home page, so we only need email and password column to search something in our database. So we get our result set like this, and you can see some part. Don't think about that session part. I will talk about it in next video. So that's the sign-in process part, and let me think if I forgot something. Alright guys, I searched for a minute if there's something I have missed, but no, that's the part. That's our today part. So with this code, we can make nice and very responsible login page successfully. So let's go to our web page and refresh it. Now you can see already have an account signing. You can access this button, and there's a sign-in page. Now you can see my database. In the database there are 3 more clients. We select one. This is me. Select this and copy this, and I clear that form. If you're thinking how this field, anyway, don't think about that. It's another part in our video. I will explain that in next video. Next video is coming soon. It might be today. So hang tight. Okay, I paste my email address to there, and then password. Okay, and paste it there, and I sign in. And now on the top you can see there's a success alert. So now let's see what's happened. We validate this login page. So let's see what happened when we don't enter any inputs in our fields. What happened? Let's see what happened. And I don't input my email field. So let's see what's happened. It shows please enter your email address, and if I put email address and I don't input my password in this field, and when you sign up, we can have this message, please enter your password. So if you enter invalid password, you can see there's something went wrong message. And if we input both fields, I mean I input email and password, and also tick in this remember me option, and we sign in. Now you can see this message success. And I want to see you something special. If we go to this inspect option, we can see our web page, how to show our web page in smartphones. So there's a dimension. You can see there's a dimension Samsung M31. If you have Samsung M31 mobile phone, you can see this web page like this. And also you can't see this image when we are logging in phone. So I will show you some more dimensions. If you have Nokia C2, you can see like this. See like this. That's all. Alright guys, that's it for today. Next video, I hope to talk with you about session management and what are the cookies. So in that case, you can study about this remember me option, how it works. When we tick and sign in, we don't have to input our email or password again to sign in. If you don't tick this and sign in, next time if you refresh you close your browser, you have to input your email and password to sign in again. So let's talk about it with another video. And you can see if you are signing, we don't go to home page because I don't set it today. This video I don't set it. In our next video we talk about our remember option, and I set this page to go home page when we sign in. Alright guys, today part is over. So now we have a lot of knowledge about sign up page and sign in page, how to create it successfully and responsively. So guys, hang tight with me. I bring you next video.